In this video, I'm going to show you the third thing you need to do in order to accurately present the bullet points in the task. Remember, you need to accurately present the bullet points in order to get a 7 or more for task achievement. And what I'm going to teach you in this video is possibly the most important thing I'll teach you in this entire course. Now, to show you what that is, we're going to continue with the activity from the last video. Once again, read the third bullet point. Which student accurately presented the bullet point? Are you ready for the answer? The answer is Max, because he says some things that he would like the manager to do. However, Hannah only says one thing, which is a big mistake. Now, Hannah made this mistake because she didn't pay attention to the plural in this bullet point. This happens to my students all the time, and often really good students fail to get a 7 because they make this error. So, the final thing you need to do to accurately present the bullet points is to pay special attention to plurals anywhere in the task. These could be plurals in the bullet points or in the situation. When there is a plural, this must be reflected in your letter. In this task, for example, you need to say more than one thing that you want the manager to do. Here are some other examples of plurals that often occur in the bullet points. But you also need to pay attention to plurals in the situation. For example, the situation might say something like, "You recently had an important meeting at work. However, there were some problems with the equipment in the meeting room." In this case, you'd need to write about more than one problem in your letter. Now, to see why this is so important, let's take a final look at the letters from this and the previous two videos. Would Max get a 7 for task achievement? Well, no, because these bullet points are inaccurate. And what about Hannah? She's written an excellent letter. Her first 2 bullet points are perfect. Well, that doesn't matter. She didn't notice the plural in bullet point 3. And therefore, she would not get a 7 for task achievement. Do not make the same mistake in your exam. So, to summarize, in order to present the bullet points accurately, you need to do the following. Pay special attention to the action words and do precisely what they say. Pay very close attention to the situation in the task. Circle key information to help you remember it, and don't change anything about the situation in your letter. And finally, pay special attention to plurals anywhere in the task. Okay, I hope that's clear. In the next lecture, I'll show you why it's really important to stay focused on each bullet point when you write your letter.